Welcome to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you a cool stuff for your BFF. Your phone, at least for me. And that cool thing is a phone stand made out of cardboard. And sir, you could double this phone stand as a card holder also. Both of them look cool. So before we get started, I want to introduce you a new thing, Olly's Shorts. These short episodes feature very easy crafts that you can make at home in just a few seconds, like this one. So to make this phone stand, you will need those old cardboards which you get with your TV, AC, fridge and blah blah. Cut them into small pieces, which I'll show you how I did it, and then stack them up to make this phone stand. It's cool, let's make it. Here I have taken 11 such pieces, which I have made some measurements here so that my phone would fit in perfectly here, and then I would cut this part which would look like this after cutting. Now stacking up similar papers would give me a phone stand. So guys, I hope making this was fun. Keep watching all these amazing crafts. Subscribe for more updates. Bye.